Well, here's the new JD tractor, John Deere 6130. It's just great for mowing the fields down here in Woodinville, Washington. There's my 36-foot mower, a little up from the 21-foot. And it's been working real good. Floats across the field, and I can do 6 to 8 miles an hour or more, sometimes less. Anyway, awesome piece of equipment. And I got another tractor available with a smaller mower I'll be using here in the next hour. Tractor is similar to this one, but same horsepower, a little bit smaller.